watch me cry till I'm getting my last fix, and it's just one more line on this page that's dead. Hey, Mr. Psycho, whoa, with a button hitting out of the top right jaw. What the hell you think I installed these hinges for? Whoa, to open up your mind and show you your jump line to the thoughts and processes of these masterminds. You got a spot on your shelf where my head should lie, right next to that deal that you signed with your mind. And you trying to off-frame me for the crime that you're providing. Linus, hey, Mr. Psycho, whoa, with a button out of the top right jaw. What the hell you think I installed these hinges for? Whoa,